Imagine you can shrink. Let's take an amazing adventure, starting from the biggest things in the cosmos, all the way down to the tiniest, down to atoms, the building blocks of everything, even you. First, picture the largest thing you can, a supergalaxy. Galaxies are gigantic swirls of stars, gas, and dust. Some, like the supergiant galaxy IC 1101, are so enormous it would take you hundreds of millions of years to fly from one side to the other, even if you could travel as fast as light. Inside these galaxies live billions of stars. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among many. It's a huge, glowing spiral, and our sun is just one small dot inside it. Now, let's fly closer to our solar system. Our solar system has a yellow star, our sun, with planets, moons, asteroids zipping around it. Earth, our home, is the only planet where we know life exists. Let's zoom in further. Earth is covered in deep blue oceans, towering green mountains, and swirling white clouds. You can see forests, cities, and rivers if you get a bit closer. But we're just getting started. Let's shrink down to see a forest. Each tree is made of millions of tiny leaves. If we keep zooming, you'll spot a caterpillar munching on one sticky green leaf. Now, let's miniaturize more. So small you can see just one leaf. Zoom in. The leaf's surface looks bumpy and jagged. Go even closer, and you see tiny cells, like little rooms, making up the whole leaf. Cells are the secret to all life. Your body, trees, rabbits, even fungi are made of these living rooms. A cell is a little wiggly factory that grows, eats, and gets rid of waste. Inside each cell, there are tinier parts, a squishy liquid called cytoplasm, and the cell's brain, the nucleus. What if we go smaller than a cell? Now each cell, whether it belongs to a leaf or your muscles, is made of molecules. Molecules are the recipe pieces, like the ingredients in a soup, or the puzzle pieces in a picture, that cells use to build themselves. And what are molecules made of? Atoms. Atoms are super tiny. If you could make an ant as big as Earth, an atom would be the size of a small berry. They have a hard center called a nucleus, with even tinier electrons whizzing around it, like bees circling a flower. Everything you can see, touch, or smell, trees, rivers, stars, you, and the air you breathe, is built from atoms. They are so small that millions of them could sit on the tip of your pencil. And yet, without them, nothing would exist. Atoms are the secret heroes of our world. So, the next time you look up at a star and then look at your own hand, remember, every giant galaxy, every single leaf, and every piece of you is made up of the very same thing. Tiny, mysterious, and wonderful atoms.